This afternoon I'm going to show how I fixed a favorite kitchen knife. This one holds a very good edge, although it's been sharpened enough that it's a lot smaller than it was when it started. The handles fell off of it years ago, and I hunted for a way to replace the handle, and I came up with this very simple, elegant, cheap solution. Steel stick, this two-part typical epoxy that comes in a stick, and when you mix it up, which is what I believe I did on this whole handle, was just to mix there's two parts in your hand, and then I molded it around the handle, and it's actually bigger than the original handle was, which is great because it gives a little more of a grip, and it's not exactly smooth, which also helps the grip, but it is hard as a rock. Or let's try it this way. There's no give to it at all. It is just as hard as steel, and it works very nicely, very cheaply, very easily, and very permanent. There are several of these steel stick type epoxies available. I find very good results with the JB Weld. Again, it's two parts. Pull it out and you can see the two parts right there. Just mix it up by hand. I would demonstrate it, but then I'd have to use it for something, and I don't have anything to use it for right now. But it comes in handy. I use it regularly.